let's talk about it. This is the COSRX Snail 92 all-in-one cream. Yes, Snail. Now, what's really interesting about this is that the snail mucin that's used in this, which is 92% of the ingredient, is actually collected from snails. So it said that as they're crawling along, the mucin that they leave behind is being collected. So it actually doesn't harm them at all. And research shows that the snail mucin is a really powerful moisturizer that helps stimulate collagen. This comes in two forms, the tube and the jar. I prefer the tube because I don't like sticking my hands inside of a jar of product. So that's why I chose to get the tube. Now let's take a closer look at it. It is a milky white color, and it definitely feels, for lack of a better word, slimy. Take a look at this. So the way that I use it is I wash and I cleanse my face. I get some on my hands and I just start applying it to my face. It has no smell at all. Now keep in mind that this is a Korean product, and a lot of Korean products, specifically this brand COSRX, they're so cognizant of not putting anything in their products that don't need to be there, like perfumes, dyes, parabens, phthalates, sulfates. So this is free of all of that. So if you have sensitive skin, this is really good for you. And specifically, it's for all skin types, even acne prone, which I am. I like putting it around my eyes, all around my face, down my neck, and you'll see that it's gonna give you that dewy glow. And it does sit on your skin for a little bit before it's fully absorbed. So if you don't like that feeling of having something on your face that's gonna be really moisturizing, this isn't gonna be for you. I personally like that because I have a combination of acne prone skin, oily skin, but also dry skin. So I'm also looking for something that's gonna really deeply moisturize my skin. And I use this at night. So when I put it on, it is a little bit tacky feeling, but I go to bed and before I know it, it's absorbed. So if you're looking for something that's gonna deeply moisturize your skin, is great for all skin types, sensitive skin, acne prone, and is going to leave you with that dewy feel and look, this is definitely it.